Hey everyone, you're sitting on a park bench, scrolling through your phone, and a notification pops up, Gemini Crypto, earn free Bitcoin. You pause, your heart pounding with excitement. But is it too good to be true? Can you really earn free cryptocurrency without investing a dime? Let's dive in and find out. Section 1. What is Gemini Crypto? Gemini is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform. It's like a digital bank where you can buy, sell, and store various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. But unlike a traditional bank, Gemini offers unique features and rewards. One of those features is the Gemini Earn program. This program allows you to earn interest on your crypto holdings. So, instead of just letting your crypto sit idle, you can make it work for you and generate additional earnings. Section 2. How does Gemini Earn work? The Gemini Earn program is pretty straightforward. You simply deposit your cryptocurrency into an eligible Earn account. Gemini then lends out your crypto to institutional borrowers who need it for various purposes. In return, you receive interest payments on your deposited crypto. The interest rate you earn depends on the cryptocurrency you're holding. Some cryptocurrencies have higher interest rates than others. Additionally, the interest rate can fluctuate over time based on market conditions. Section 3. Is Gemini Earn free? Now, to answer your burning question, can you use Gemini Crypto for free? Well, not entirely. While Gemini doesn't charge any fees for depositing or withdrawing cryptocurrency, there are a few things to consider. Minimum deposit. Gemini requires a minimum deposit for certain cryptocurrencies. If you don't meet the minimum, you won't be able to participate in the Earn program. Interest taxes. Any interest you earn on your crypto holdings is generally subject to income tax. So, while you might not pay fees to Gemini, you may need to pay taxes to the government. Section 4. Is Gemini Earn safe? One of the biggest concerns for many people when it comes to cryptocurrency is security. Gemini takes security very seriously. They have implemented robust security measures to protect your crypto assets, including cold storage, two-factor authentication, and insurance. However, it's important to remember that no system is completely foolproof. You should always exercise caution and take steps to protect your own account security. Section 5. Is Gemini Earn worth it? Whether or not Gemini Earn is worth it depends on your individual circumstances. If you're already holding cryptocurrency and you're looking for a way to earn additional income, Gemini Earn can be a great option. However, it's important to weigh the potential benefits against the risks. The cryptocurrency market can be volatile, and there's always a risk of losing money. If you're not comfortable with that risk, it might be better to stick to traditional savings accounts. Conclusion. So, can you use Gemini Crypto for free? While you won't have to pay fees to Gemini, there are other factors to consider, such as minimum deposits and potential tax implications. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Gemini Earn is up to you. If you're comfortable with the risks and you're looking for a way to earn additional income on your crypto holdings, Gemini Earn can be a viable option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.